All right, we are here at the delivery center for BMW of Crystal Lake with a Tanzanite blue X5, and we have applied Cilajet, the ceramic coating for the exterior on this. You can really see that metallic in the Tanzanite. It's a great color, a great blue. And so I'm just going to walk around, make sure there's no other smudges before delivery. This is a M60 2025 factory order. Take this here. It's a nice contrast between the bumper colors and the Tanzanite. So here you got a little bit of a water spot here. Just don't want any visual noise upon entry for the new owner. So with our application of Cilajet, there's also an interior protection. So that is all treated. It's a 5-year warranty with it. Protects you from little punctures or any stains. It gets replaced if they can't fix it. So it protects the interior, makes it hard to stain anything. So this I see. Don't want any dust on there. No fingerprints or smudges before the new owner gets it. And then the nice thing about this product is there's no odors or anything like that, or harsh chemical smells. That's a big selling point to get it into our product lineup. check out the front grille again. You have some of that wax residue to the rust inhibitor right there. I'll probably come back for. Mirror check. That's all good. And then this mirror right here looks decent. As well as these water spots right here. And that's the thing about the Cilajet, the ceramic. It just kind of creates like a shield over the paint. So everything glides off. You don't have to wax it as much. Stays cleaner looking longer. And I did notice a little bit of the inhibitor coming out right there, so I'll touch that up again. Water spot. Just finely tune these grill pieces. Some of those water spots. Look at that metallic on the tanzanite again. Like that. So this is from the rust inhibitor that they shoot inside the doors. It starts to come out as you reach warmer temperatures, but it's for rust perforation. And sometimes just oils and other little greases get inside there. So perfectly normal, so that it doesn't rust, but definitely want to clean that up. Much better on appearance. I've laminated the vehicle window sticker. There is 2 of them that come with the BMW from the factory. 110, 250.